Number 5. The Olympus OM-DEM10 Mark IV is the perfect camera for aspiring photographers and experienced professionals alike. This powerful camera body provides an incredibly versatile shooting experience with a 20.4 megapixel live MOS sensor, powerful TRPIC 8 image processor, and fast autofocus. It also boasts a 3-inch LCD touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, a 5-axis image stabilization system, and a robust weather-sealed body. The EM10 Mark IV is equipped with an impressive lineup of features, including a 12 FPS burst shooting mode, up to 4,000 video recording, and an ultra-fast shutter speed of a 32,000 seconds. It also comes with a wide range of creative filters, allowing you to capture unique images with ease. In addition, compatible with a wide range of lenses and accessories, giving you even more options for creative expression. Experience the power of the Olympus OM-DEM10 Mark IV in this comprehensive video review. We'll take a look at the camera's features, performance, and functionality, and cover everything you need to know about this incredible camera body, from exploring the menus and settings. Number 4. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 is an exciting new full-frame, mirrorless camera that promises to revolutionize the way you capture your memories. With its compact design, it's easy to take with you wherever you go and capture stunning images. With its 24.2 megapixel sensor, whether you're shooting stills or video, you'll be impressed with the beautiful colors and sharp details the S5 produces. The S5 is designed for advanced photographers, with features like dual native ISO, 4000 video recording, and 5-axis body stabilization for smooth, stable footage. It's also equipped with the high-speed autofocus system, which makes it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Plus, the S5 has a wide range of creative filters and effects to help you get creative with your shots. The S5 is also incredibly versatile, with a range of lenses and adapters available so you can customize it to fit your needs. Whether you're shooting landscapes or everyday life, you'll be able to get the shots you want. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera that's perfect for capturing stunning images and videos with ease, whether you're a professional photographer or a beginner. Number 3. The Nikon Z-FEC DDEX format mirrorless camera body W or NIKKOR Z28mm f2.8 is a compact and lightweight camera perfect for those looking to get into photography or upgrade their current system. This camera is packed with features to help you take stunning photos, including a 24.2 MP DDEX format sensor, a reliable and accurate hybrid autofocus system, and a wide ISO range of 1005-1200. The included NIKKOR Z28mm f2.8 lens is designed to maximize the performance of the Z-FEC camera body, giving you sharp and detailed images. The Z-FEC body is also equipped with a powerful Expeed 6 image processing engine, allowing you to capture videos at up to 4K 30p, with 10-bit and log and slow motion up to 120p. This camera also comes with a handy tilting touchscreen LCD, so you can get the shot you want without having to move the camera. Additionally, the Z-FEC body is compatible with a variety of Nikon's lenses, so you can customize your setup to suit your needs. Whether you're a beginner or a professional photographer, the Nikon ZF. Number 2. The Fujifilm X-T30 is an incredibly versatile mirrorless digital camera, perfect for any photographer looking to take their photography to the next level. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, this powerhouse camera is capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. The X-T30 offers a wide range of features, making it an excellent choice for any type of photography. With its powerful image sensor, superior autofocus system, and fast burst shooting, you'll be able to capture every moment. Plus, its impressive 4000 video recording capabilities let you capture stunning videos in Ultra HD. The X-T30 also features a wide variety of lens options, so you can choose the perfect one for your photography needs. From wide-angle to telephoto lenses, you'll find the perfect fit for your creative vision. Plus, its intuitive design makes it easy to change settings and shoot quickly. And no matter what type of photography you're into. The Fujifilm X-T30 will help you take your images to the next level. With its powerful features, superior lens options, and intuitive design, you'll be able to capture amazing shots. Number 1. The Canon EOS R5 is the latest full-frame mirrorless camera from Canon that brings cutting-edge imaging technology to the world of photography. Packed with features, the R5 is ideal for both professionals and enthusiast photographers. In this video, we take a look at the key features of the R5 and how it compares to other popular cameras in the market. Starting with the body of the camera, the R5 packs a 45-megapixel full-frame sensor that's capable of capturing stills and 8,000 video. It also has dual-pixel autofocus, allowing for fast and accurate focus. The camera is also equipped with a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system for stable shots, even when shooting at slower shutter speeds. In addition, the R5 is equipped with the top-of-the-line electronic viewfinder that offers accurate color reproduction. When it comes to video, the R5 is capable of shooting 8,000 video at up to 30 fps, as well as 4,000 at up to 120 fps. It also has a host of advanced features such as 10-bit 4:2 color and Canon log. Additionally, the R5 has dual memory card slots,